All right, we know that crypto lately has been selling off. People are taking profits. There's a lot of outflows. So there's a critical area we need to watch on Bitcoin to make sure we're going to have that strong recovery. I'm going to go over that in today's video. Everything you need to know about crypto in under 2 minutes. Here we go. First, before we look into the Bitcoin charts, look at all the volume pouring in on Bitcoin. We can clearly see who the biggest buyer of Bitcoin is. The US. The US is not slowing down on Bitcoin. A bunch of other countries. We have Europe. We have South Korea. All of them are aggressively buying and selling. This isn't just buying, this is volume on Bitcoin. So there's a lot of active trading going on. Soon all these countries will be involved. Crypto bubbles on the hourly. Red, obviously everyone is selling because they're in fear that we're going to go lower on Bitcoin. Fear and greed index, this is something you want to watch to make sure that we're going to get a nice recovery, because as this comes down, fear comes into play. Then that's a good time to be buying again. We're still in the green, extreme greed. I would like to come down to the light green or even the orange before it's time to buy back in. Some news. Standard Chartered Bank has raised the Bitcoin price target to 150,000 this year and 250,000 for next year. That is very bullish. A little bit on inflation. Inflation is starting to rise again. If you haven't noticed at the market, price of eggs are climbing back up. Red flag, not good. All right, let's jump into Bitcoin. I have some trend lines here of what I think is gonna happen. I mean, this looks ugly. It looks like we're about to come down this mountain. We're forming in head and shoulders, a mountaintop, an Eiffel Tower, whatever you wanna call it. The red wave has also opened, which is one of my strongest indicators. So first resistance is 66, or support 66, and then 64, and then 61, and then 53. We're not gonna go lower than 53, but I think personally, we're gonna hit right here, 61, or 64 along this orange trend line. It's going to come down, hit here or here, but once it touches the orange, we're in good shape.